Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you for stopping by today. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my secret with you guys, my secret recipe for weight loss and for maintaining my weight with you guys. You guys, normally when I do videos like this particular type of videos, I'll just put music and just allow you guys see what I'm doing. But with this video, I just decided to do like a voiceover just so that I can reassure you that this really works and it worked for me. So if you are interested in trying this out for your weight loss and general health benefit, not just weight loss alone, but it really worked. I use it for weight loss and it really works for weight loss. Like it helps. We'll get to the benefit later, but this voiceover is just so that to reassure you guys. But please remember, everyone's body is different. Always talk to your healthcare provider before starting any natural remedy or detox drink, especially if you have medical conditions or you're currently on this medication. So please speak with your healthcare provider before using this. So that's just a disclaimer. So aside from the weight loss benefits that I get from this, combination of all these ingredients together has loads of benefits as well. So I'm just going to stop talking and just put down those benefits in the description box so that you can see the benefits of each ingredient you are using. And you can also go online to research more about these ingredients. And yes, so I'm just going to stop talking now. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. Please click on the subscribe button and just support this girl. Thank you guys. So I'm just going to leave you guys to keep watching the video.